Okay guys, haven't been posting for a long time because the travel, been missing my other account, and I'm finishing school, only 1 month left, so a lot of work to do over there, so my 2 Trane units. Just started it up. Think you heard it, I don't know. Yep. Recording this video with my new phone, Sony Xperia T. No, the T, sorry. Sony Xperia T. It's around 97 degrees outside. I think it's around, what time is it? I think it's 12. No, it's around 12 p.m. Pretty nice. Very, very nice weather. Really, really hot. So yeah. Wanted to post a video and testing my phone as well, so yep. It's not 12:30. It's not 9:40 either, so yeah.